Deputies responded to the Burlington Coat Factory regarding an internal theft investigation after the store's asset protection manager discovered an employee on surveillance footage conducting fraudulent cashier transactions, resulting in a total loss of approximately $3,002.07.
Yo, cuz. May I get arrested? Come pick up your car and me sent them. Don't tell mommy, bro. Don't tell mommy.
Wagwan, my YouTube family. We're there again. We take a little break from the YouTube journey, you know. We're there again. It's not today's video. We're talking about a Jamaican teen. We left Jamaica, get a scholarship and left Jamaica and go foreign. Zane, and I work in a little store and go touch the people and money, go teach the people and money. You see me? So we're going to play a clip and watch a clip and then we're going to elaborate on it with people because it's have to be a learning lesson to all the youth that get the opportunity to go foreign because we don't see how things and time are changing now. And the least good thing you do over there, you get deported, you come back to Jamaica. So we're going to run a clip of my people and just watch it and leave my thoughts and comment, drop a like on the video and share it.
Anything else from the company you have? Just this?
So what we're gonna do? You've been respectful. You've been honest with us. We're not gonna put handcuffs on there. So unfortunately, so here, let me explain to you the issue. Typically, what we would do in something like this, we meet somebody that's a gentleman like you that's been honest, no issues at all. We would do it as just an issue a court date, right? The problem is with that, this surpassed the dollar amount for that. Therefore, it's not an option. I still would if I could. So, what we can do, and it's not even up to them anymore, because once law enforcement's notified. Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Please, you gotta see her face. I can't just see my face on the news. I can't. Just can't.
I know it sucks for right now, but pretty much all the process is at this point is you come with us, we take you down there to get your fingerprints, and you'll be out in a couple hours.
Right now, this is my life we're talking about. I just got a scholarship, a maximum.
Believe me, like I told you. So this is above the threshold to where I can just give you a piece of paper and walk away. Are you understanding what I'm trying to explain to you?
Yes, sir.
This is.
I can't go to jail. I can't.
Listen.
Sir, my name cannot go in the book, sir. It can't.
So
sir, I went through too much in life. You don't understand.
But
sir.
what you're missing is it's not my choice. If it was up to me, I would give you a piece of paper and we'd leave it at that. But you got to understand. Okay, they have a job to do. We have a job to do. I don't want to deal with all this. This is a lot of work, to be honest with you, man. It really is. We don't have any choice in the matter. For all you have to do about today, it's a shitty situation. You've already been honest with us. All right, I respect you for that. It's just a matter of going through the ropes. It's gonna suck for a couple hours. You're gonna go get your fingerprints. You'll be released. All right, you're not gonna be stuck there for overnight.
Someone's gonna have to pick me up.
Somebody's gonna have to pick you up. But you do have to go. You get your fingerprints.
Sir, please, if you could do anything, please.
What do you need?
I tell us them youth not think properly, you know. Them parents now guide them in the righteous way, you know. But not done this, so. When I bring them to the car and if you call him family member them and make them know what I want, him not want him mother know about it. I want to watch the next part of the video I'm going to play now. Zane before he start left in the comments and them things because the youth dash him career just because him finger fearing. Zane?
Is it gonna be a bond?
It should be, yeah.
Yo, cuz. May I get arrested? Come pick up your car and me sent them. The car, me take money from the cashier. But the money If me get on bun, the money they come me cash up and me have the cash. Come pick everything up. Don't tell mommy, bro. Don't tell mommy. No, don't tell mommy, bro. Just follow it. Ride a bicycle or something. Hurry up. Bro, don't tell her, bro. Please, don't tell her.
Ask him how long it'll take him to get here.
Yeah, I live right down the street.
Okay.
Hurry up, bro, please. Bro, ride a bicycle, bro. Come, bro. Hurry up, bro. They're not, bro. Man, they're not giving me no chance, bro. Come on. Don't tell mommy, bro. Bro, they're not gonna call her, bro. They're not gonna call her. They gonna come home?
No, you're 18 years old.
Yeah.
You're an adult.
They're not gonna call her, bro.
You're an adult. If you were the juvenile, yeah, we have to call your mom, but you're not a juvenile. You're an adult.
Then instead them I set on bun. Alright. But come get this
All right.
thing, bro.
Is he coming?
Eh? Sit there upstairs? Bro, you
Is he
know
coming? How long is it gonna take? Come on, we don't have time.
Alright. Tell mommy I'm far, bro.
All right. We gotta get rid of this here. Put your feet inside. Yeah, we're gonna put the seatbelt. Put your feet inside.
In Jamaica, them say, greedy dog lose them bone, So you say you just lose your bone right now, youth. You see? And your parents say must feel embarrassed, say you get scholarship and you have education and you fall in America, gone thief out money out of cash register and you have work. But you're a youth, and if you do this, focus on your school work. You know what I mean? The more education you obtain, and the more money you can make. We left in Jamaica and gone all the way America gone thief out money for put bad name for our nation. Worse, the young generation them. Zane, I not even want your mother to know. So what you do? What you think? What you try to impress? Girl or friends? You have to think wisely, youth. When you're young, when you can't mash up and look at future them type of way, and we know say mistake are gonna make, We have to learn, brother. You know what I mean? And I hope this be a learning lesson to all the youth them where I get scholarship and I go out there and get work. So them stay focused and don't get distracted and make friend or family or whatsoever make them go do them type of thing and put bad name for our nation. And if you stop them thing, let this be a learning process. You know what I mean? To all the youngsters out there or some big people too. We finger fearing. You know what I mean? Because we don't want Jamaica have a bad name. Again, we don't have bad name already. We are trying eradicate that and put a good face on Jamaica or a good name on Jamaica. Only if you stop it, man, and uplift the culture and behave with yourself when you go out there. You see? Some of viewers and subscribers, left on the thoughts in the comments, share the video so more Jamaican youths can see them things and learn from it. You see? Big up on yourself. Thanks for watching. Banging.